Hi everyone, I was going to show you my new machine, my C6 Big Shot, and I bought it at Overstock.com for $61.03 with $1 shipping. So I think I got a good deal. I mean, that's the lowest I've seen without paying a lot of shipping and a lot of tax if you buy them at local stores. So I think I'm very happy with my purchase. Usually Overstock get good price on things, but on scrapbooking not all the time, because if you can get them at local stores for minus 40% off, the 40% off, then sometimes it's not really that good of a deal. But I think this one is pretty good, so I'm just so excited about it and would like to share it to everyone. I've seen people, show their Big Shot, but it's different when you have it by your hand, and I never realized that it was that big. It's like, oh man, and it is big. So I'm just gonna show it to everyone how happy I am, and that's how Big Shot looks like in real life. The next time I want to make a video, that would be some embossing stuff. So hope you enjoy it, because I do. Have a good day. Bye bye.